Here we are in China. It's 95 degrees and we're making karts on the ground floor of the factory, and this is out of control with all the noise. So stick in with me and I'm going to show you everything that's going on with these new karts. All right, first things first, as you guys know, everything at ENC, as far as the frames goes, is welded by hand. Right in front of me is the jig for these E-Drift karts, and these guys put these things together all by hand, all the many pieces in this jig. So let's take a look at it, see what's going on. These frames, they are literally maybe 100 pieces to this thing with all high quality steel, and they're loaded up in this jig, which is literally also made by hand. So you can see just how thick these are. And this is for your side bumper. This just sits right in there like that. And that way it's always in the same place, and then they weld it up by hand. It is truly kind of interesting to see just how kind of just loosely fit in here they are. When going and looking at them, they're all exactly the same. The controller mount is just kind of sitting here, but when it's pressed up against this jig here, it is exactly in the same spot as every other frame. Jigs are super cool, and it lowers the cost, and it gives you hand craftsmanship. This thing is designed in this shop and welded by hand, and I just think that that's actually really cool. Machine welds are cool and everything, but that raises the cost, and we want to bring you an affordable product. So here it is in all its glory. And we're always working on different improvements, so let's go show you what some of those things are. Right here behind me, they are working on our new brake kit. So it's a front brake actuated by your foot pedal, and then there is a hand brake which is actuated by your hand. And that's going to control the rear of the cart. So you have the separation between the front and the back brake with your foot and your right hand, giving you that stick drift action and more front braking, so you can double pedal, slow yourself down, and it's a lot safer. And a few things have changed on this frame, which I'm going to go over in just a second. But the important part is that we have brakes, they're coming, and we're gonna have all the angles. Again, I'm super sweaty, I apologize. I know I'm not that cute today, all scruffy like Wolverine. But listen, we have a seat that's a lot more laid back on these new karts. This is a version 3 of the frame. Angle on the front knuckles is a little bit different, so we have a little bit lighter steering. We have a larger steering wheel and a screen mounted on the steering wheel. That way, it's not between your legs. If you have the original kart, you know that the screen hits your knees. So now it's up on the steering wheel. So we have more seat adjustability, so you have more front to backwards movement than the original kart. It's more laid back, so the kart's more comfortable. Not only that, we moved the throttle control box, which means that it's not going to get hung up or snagged on anything, and it's not as susceptible to water damage. Everything's a work in progress, and these things get better every day. On top of all those changes that I just talked about, the one thing that we've been working on while I've been here today is getting the steering feeling very light and having Ackerman. So that means that the inside wheel is going to turn a little bit more than the outside wheel. That's a little bit difficult to do when you're working with so much steering angle. We finally have it figured out, even with this brake kit, which by the way, does not come standard. So I know you're looking at this now. These brakes are an upgrade. So the karts don't come like this, but you can purchase these brakes. I highly recommend that you do. They're an excellent add-on. But regardless of that, right now we have the lightest steering feeling that we've ever had. Not only that, we have the most steering angle that we've ever had. So we made the steering lighter and it turns sharper, and that means better drifting and less work on your arms. Let me just demonstrate Ackerman real quick. As we get to the end of the steering lock, you can see that the inside wheel is steering, but not the outside wheel. And that means that when we're turning super tight, that these wheels aren't going to scrub. This wheel's not going to scrub, so you're not gonna crab walk as much as before, and you're gonna get a more clean arc, and you're gonna get a better drift and a cleaner looking, smoother feeling drift. So it feels better, it looks better, it's better. I like this, and I'm about to rip the shit out of it. this was a short video today, but we made mega progress here on the ground floor. These things are absolutely dialed. Ackerman is locked in, the steering is lighter than ever before, and these brake kits that you can get on the store are gonna be absolutely game-changing for your kart. And the cool thing is if you already have one of these karts, these things that we learned today are doable to your kart for free. And we're gonna show you how that's done, so stay tuned on the YouTube and we'll show you exactly how to modify your existing karts, or if you're looking at getting one of these, they've never been more dialed. So check it out on the website. That's all I got.